Hey guys, if you want to see how I took my place from what it looks like right now in this video to what it looks like right there, simply beautiful in my opinion. Stay tuned guys, let's get started.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come.
Hola, hola, hola. Hey guys, bienvenidos. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm so excited because today I get to collaborate with so many different sisters and we get to do a video that you guys will love. And it's not just one video. No, it's not two videos. Listen, it's not even four. We're doing a 7-day video challenge back to back, because this video is not just a 7-day video for you guys to come and indulge. Obviously we would love for you guys to do that, but in this collaboration, as sisters, as friends, decided to give you guys a bonus. Listen, it's going to be a giveaway of $200 cash money. You heard me correctly. The girls and I decided to just give back to our communities, to our fans, to our dear followers. So it's super easy to get into the giveaway. You just have to subscribe to each of our channel and go ahead and leave a comment in 1 or 2 or all 7 of them. It's up to you. Leave a comment and say done. So if you're not subscribed to me, go ahead and subscribe to me and put done. If you're not subscribed to the other girls, go ahead and subscribe and put done. Does that make sense? So if you already subscribed to me, then it's a done deal. Guys, I'm gonna tell you guys the girls that we're doing the collaboration with. I have Ogo. Listen, you're going to love her home. We got Cindy. You guys seen me collaborate with Cindy, and the best of them are Didi Mom Bus. Guys, I don't even want to waste your time. Let's get into the video. Let's get into the video. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gladys. I'm a mama of 3, and on this channel I show you guys how to live the simple minimalistic lifestyle. If that's anything that interests you, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. If you like this video so far, or you like this video when the video is over, click on the like button. It really helps our channel. Let's get into the video. Guys, I always rearrange my house, and please don't be afraid of the random people passing by in the back. They're fixing my electricity. They're from the Excel people. I don't know in your state where they're called, but here it's Excel. So I'm gonna go ahead and rearrange my furniture. I love doing that. It gives a new perspective, even though it's the same house. For me, that's what it does. I bring the furniture from upstairs, downstairs, downstairs, upstairs, things like that. So here we are doing a living room refresh. As you saw the other 2 videos, this one is the 3rd one. I'm gonna go ahead and change my pillowcase. I love this pillowcase from Amazon. The link will be below. Listen, they are so pretty. I can't wait to utilize them for fall, Christmas. I think they're so pretty in my opinion. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove the other ones and replace it with these ones.
Your round of applause, alright. A pretty picture for the ones that are lost in life. But even dreamers have the power to save a friend. And I know you are afraid that you fail again. You can take it to the grave, but it doesn't end with you.
sometimes when you decorate, you have to look back and see if it's exactly how you like it, from afar, from close. So I didn't like the way the lamp was facing, so I decided to go back and double check, and I went and I fixed it. My husband was having a little chit chat with me there. But yeah, let's continue, guys.
You say you haven't been yourself for a long, long time. Barely awake and it is already on your mind. But even
Thank you so much for watching the entire video. This will be the end of the video. Please guys, don't forget to show some love to the girls. Subscribe to the page. Let them know Gladys sent you. For anyone that is coming from any of the girls page, you are welcome to my page. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate you. Hopefully you will stay tuned for the remaining of the videos. Bye guys, see ya.